Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel, Farm TV Realty Lopez. This is Luis, one of your site locators today. At ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa bayan ng General Luna or General Luna sa Quezon. Ngayon po ay may isa site tayong property na may sukat or lawak na 3.2 hectares o hektarya or 32,620 square meters. Alright, so as you can see, right now we are on a barangay road. Ang property ay start dito sa may bakod na to. So ang property natin is tuhog ng barangay road. So merong part dito and then merong part dito. Alright, so tingnan natin ang property. Also, this property is 11 kilometers away from the town proper of General Luna, and it's 4 kilometers away from the national road. Mga tanim na niyog dito ay more or less 500. Ayan. So again, ang start ng property natin is itong bakod na to. So papunta doon ng property. Alright. Let's check this part first. Sa left side ng property, sabi is mas malaki yung part na nandito compared doon sa kabilang part. Alright, so as you can see, ayan, like for example, itong puno na ito ng niyog, super dami niyang mamunga. Alright, meron din dito mga puno ng mangga. Again, yung pinaka-boundary niya is itong bakod na to. So, property is 100% na flatland. I think walang masyadong fruit-bearing trees aside from mangga. Pero meron daw mga ilang puno ng Gemelina, Buli, Anahaw, mga ganun. Okay. Ayan, like for example, this one. I'm not really sure if it's visible sa camera, but personally kitang-kita yung karamihan ng bunga ng niyog. Yeah, maybe it's not visible. Alright. Also guys, pag dinaretso daw itong barangay road na yan, parang dead end na doon sa pinakadulo. Yeah, dead end, kaya nga pinakadulo. Ito yung puno ng mangga. Marami talagang bunga yung mga niyog. Naman sa kabilang part or sa kabilang side ng property. Again, marami talaga mamunga yung mga niyog dito. Hanggang saan pa po ito? Sa dulo pa po.
Hindi ko lang alam pag-italan doon, pero tinuturo na kasama ko hanggang dulo pa doon. 3 point na.
Alright. So ito yung barangay road. It's not cemented, so yung road na pupunta dito is medyo rough, although hindi naman bato-bato, lupa lang, hindi even yung lupa. So it's a bit of a challenge, pero kayang-kaya na mapuntahan. Alright, ang ganda ng panahon na. Alright, ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Ito yung mga buli yata, I'm not really sure. Ayan. Alright, so dead end na rin kasi yung pinakadulo nito eh. Wala nang tatagusan or lalabasan ng na ibang barangay. Ito, matatangkad na yung puno ng niyog dito. And marami talaga siyang mamunga. So, I'm not really sure kung ilan yung nakukuha nilang buo na niyog dito, like every 2 months, pero for sure marami-rami pa rin. Hindi lang masyadong visible talaga sa camera yung mga bunga kasi nga medyo against the light na siya, so medyo silhouette na lang yung nakikita natin. Okay. Ayan, yung part niyan kasama pa rin sa property. Again, mas malaki yung sakop na part nandito sa kabila compare dito. Ayan, so far I can't see other fruit-bearing trees aside from sa mangga kanina. I think meron ding few trees ng mahogany. I'm not really sure, but I think that one is a mahogany tree. And I think, yeah, the main source of income here as well is lang din. Puno ng niyog. Clean title din to. Let me ask my mom if clean title siya. Clean title to, Nay? Clean? Ayan. My mom said this property is also has clean title. Okay. Let me try to go to this side of the property. 1 second. Yeah, so earlier I was there, and then I'm going to check this side of the property. My brain is really not functioning. I'm stuttering a lot today. Yeah, I think that is a mahogany tree. This one as well is a mahogany. Alright, so aside from that, yeah, I can't really see a lot of different trees, like hardwood or fruit-bearing trees. But yeah, I think the main source of income of this property is yung mga niyog nga. Ayan, kung makikita niyo naman, di ba? Alright, also guys, if you have any inquiries, any questions either about this property or sa mga previous na properties, you can give us a call anytime. The numbers on the upper right side of this video or vlogs is always open naman. So again, do not hesitate to to ask questions or inquire. I think there's really not much to see. But yeah. At least you already have an idea kung anong pwedeng gawin sa property na to. Okay. And again, this property is 100% flat. So, hindi siya mahirap like libutin naman. I don't know what kind of tree is that, but it looks cute. Alright, so anyway guys, thank you so much for watching our vlogs. Again, if you have any questions, any inquiries, do not hesitate to send us a message or call us through the numbers on the upper right side of the video. Again, this is Louise, one of your site locators today. Thank you so much and see you on our next vlogs. Bye! Okay, guys, again, pahabol lang. And why do I keep forgetting things? So, alright, again, pahabol lang. Sabi nung mga nakatira dito, since again, yung road natin or yung barangay road is not cemented yet. Sabi is, this coming March, ipapa-cemented na or ipapa-cement na yung barangay road. So, after that, hindi na super mahirap puntahan itong property. Yeah, but again, for the meantime or for now, medyo challenging lang yung daan kasi nga medyo uneven talaga yung kalsada. But again, this coming March, ipapa-cement na yung kalsada. Alright, so ayun lang.